Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today's video will be a floor lamp redo. Yes guys, this is a second video of the same project I had done a couple of years ago. The link to that video will be in the description below. I began this project by making the mold for this lamp tower. The tower actually is about 42 inches long. I measure out the dimensions, which are 5 by 5, and then I score those measurements to make the shape that I need for this project. Once I've scored my board, I go ahead and fold where the scoring was done to make the shape that I need. And I closed up my shape by gluing the edges, or gluing that seam. And here I have two pieces because I said I want my tower to be really tall, or my lamp. So I'll be using the clear packing tape, as you see here, to hold these two pieces together. You see I have my finger all bandaged up. I had a little accident with that blade, but I survived, guys. I'm okay. And here is the result. I used cling wrap to cover the structure. This will make it easy to remove the mold from the inside. Okay, now that I have my structure together, the next step is to use this jute twine, which this came from the Dollar Tree, and I have 9 spools here. I also have an assortment of glue. Once I mix it with water, put all of this together and mix it with water, it'll serve the same purpose. So all of this glue that I have here, guys, comes from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned and let's see how this is going to turn out this time. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, or you are a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed yet, please do tap that subscribe button, y'all, and come on in. Once you have done that, then you go ahead and tap that notification bell. Once I achieved the thickness or consistency of the water and glue mixture, I added the jute twine. I let it soak for an hour before building my lamp structure. So this is what we have going on here. This is my tower lamp stand. I have my glue and water mixture with the string inside. The jute rope is inside of here soaking, so that I get a good soak, and I made sure that I use less water in my mix this time because I really want my string to be stiff. Here is where I am anchoring the twine by wrapping it at one end of the structure. Then I turn the structure to create spirals around it a couple of times from the top to the bottom. Then I continue wrapping the twine close together to start filling in the gaps. This is done repeatedly until I get the desired look and thickness in layering. At this point right here, guys, I'm just trying to show you how far I've gotten with winding this spool around my structure. At this point, I will be applying my twine in sections. With 9 spools that I used from the Dollar Tree and an extra one that I found in my stash, this is the result of the coverage. And I think it's coming along pretty well, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Next, I will be preparing my base and the light fixture for my lamp. All right, guys, so what I have here is one of those gold wire baskets from the Dollar Tree. And this was part of the light fixture that I had. There was 2 pieces, and the piece that screwed on inside was on so tight. I tried to take it off with pliers. You know I messed that up. So I'm just going to use this anyway to mark out the space that I need to cut on this wire for the light bulb to fit in, or the light bulb fixture to fit in. And I just needed to be just right. I just want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel, and to show you all that I appreciate you so much that I will be doing a giveaway as soon as I hit 2,000 subscribers, guys. Yep, I'll be back to do a giveaway. So if you are not a subscriber as of yet, tap that subscribe button and the notification bell. And this is how it'll go. After gluing the light fixture to the base, I continued to wrap more twine with 2 more spools that I purchased from my local hardware store. Alright guys, I'm redirecting my plan a little bit with this. Instead of taking the whole inside out, I'm just going to take partial out and write the extension that I had put on to make it this tall. That's the piece I'll be removing. Right here, I continue to remove the top portion of the mold. And guys, I did not remove the plastic. I felt like it helped maintain the shape of my structure. I moved forward to cut off the excess foam board from the bottom of the lamp where the base and the light goes. And then guys, this is the final result. And guys, I think that this floor lamp turned out great. It is so nice. I really put some work into this because I was determined to not have a second flop for this project. As you know, this is a redo of the first one, and I will leave that link to that video in the description. But guys, this turned out so nice. Again, as I mentioned, I left the plastic in on the inside, but that reminds me to give you guys a hazard and safety side note. Do not use a regular household bulb, which is what I have in here. It's the energy saver kind, but still, I would just use the lower wattage, which would be one of those chandelier light bulbs, the one that's shaped like a flame. Yeah, that would be more suitable for this, but for demonstration purposes, you guys get the full effect. This is so nice. Again, guys, if you like the content that I put out my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Then tap that notification bell so that you will get the notification for my new upload videos. And I will see you guys in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.